Okay, hello. This is my newly restored textured black Casablanca Zephyr with light wood blades and polished brass blade brackets. I have some black ones too, but one was bent, so I used some polished brass Zephyr brackets. This is a 1981 model. It used to be Slumber Quiet, but since it was broken, I converted it to 3-speed. Put a finial on the bottom. Oh, and it has a hang true canopy as well, but you can't see that, can you? Yeah, that's up there. Has an Emerson K55 stack motor, and I'm going to turn it on. It'll be on low. This is an aesthetic low. It's a very nice aesthetic low. And no more bearing noise, finally. Okay. Medium. Fan does wobble. I'll get up on a better view here. Okay. And let's go to high. I think I'll hold it until it speeds up because it does like to wobble. Yeah, it's wobbling a lot. But the airflow is excellent. And yeah. Okay, let's turn it off. Nothing much else about this fan I want to share. Nope. Well, okay then. Goodbye.